This is my YouTube feed. And if you have noticed one thing, then the thing is that I am not having YouTube Shorts. Even here is no option available to use the YouTube Shorts. And if you wanted to do this thing in your device, then this video is for you. And not only this, but there are about 6 to 7 extensions that will make your life 1000 times more easier. If you are reading any document on Wikipedia or any other website, then you always think one thing. That is, you always see a content in white color, and that creates a problem for our eyes. But here is a very simple solution. Then click it, then edit, then now just refresh it. Here you can see that after applying this extension, we can see our content in black theme. Now for the next one, we just need to come to YouTube, and suppose if you are watching any of the video and I want to see that how many person actually dislike this video. For this, we just have to come to tab and I will type, then enter, then edit. Now after adding it, we just need to come to the page again and I will just refresh it.
Ever since
And now here you can see that we have got the dislike. Okay, now suppose if you are watching YouTube, then you sometimes feel that I have to remove these shorts because they sometimes distract me. So for this, we just need to come to the Chrome again and then click it, then edit. Now just open it. When you will open it, you just need to go to the bottom, and here you can see the option of hide shorts. Now after applying it, I just need to go to the YouTube again, and now I will just refresh it. Now here you can see that there will be no short you can see from my tab. Now suppose if you want to download any of the image, but there is a condition. If you go to download it, then you sometimes see the unwanted options like downloading the image in WPEG, JPEG or any other file, and you don't want to download in that. So what you have to do, then click it, add to Chrome, edit. Now I will just click on the picture. Now save images. Now here we can see the different formats, PNG, web or any other. Then download it. Now if you use any of the website that requires sign up, and if you don't want to use your personal ID, then there is a very simple way. Then edit. Now I have come to the same website. Now I will click there, then the temp mail, click it, then you got a new mail. If you will copy it, then paste it, then type a password, and this, then this. So here you can see that our account is created. Here was some of the extensions that we can use to simplify our life in Chrome. And if you want, then I will upload the part second because I have a lot of extensions to show. So now we meet in another video. Till then, subscribe to the channel, like the video and press the bell icon